What if everything you see, stars, galaxies, planets, and all beyond sight, originated from a single point? Fascinating, right? This is the grand tale of the universe. Initially there was void. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, occurred the Big Bang. Not a conventional explosion, but a swift expansion from a super-hot dense state. This Big Bang created space and time as we understand it. Following the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense sea of particles and energy. As it expanded, it cooled down. After a few minutes, protons and neutrons started to form. These particles combined to create the first atomic nuclei in a process known as nucleosynthesis. This was the universe's first step towards complexity. As the universe continued to cool and expand over hundreds of thousands of years, electrons began to combine with these nuclei to form neutral atoms. This era marked the end of the cosmic dark ages and the birth of the first light, as photons were now free to travel across the universe without being scattered by charged particles. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and the universe had cooled enough for gravity to pull matter together into dense regions, marking the birth of the first stars and galaxies. These celestial bodies provided the universe with the structure we're familiar with today. Galaxies filled with billions of stars, many of which are orbited by planets. The evolution of the universe didn't stop there, however. Stars lived and died, often in spectacular supernova explosions that spewed out the heavier elements they had created through nuclear fusion. These elements, such as carbon and oxygen, are the building blocks of life as we know it. They were incorporated into new stars and planets, creating a universe rich in complexity and diversity. Fast forward to today, and the universe continues to evolve. It's still expanding, and new stars and galaxies are continually being formed. Meanwhile, on at least one small planet orbiting a relatively ordinary star, life has evolved to the point where it can ponder its own origins and the nature of the universe it inhabits. To recap, the universe sprang into existence around 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. It began as a hot, dense point and expanded rapidly. As it cooled, it formed atomic nuclei, then atoms, and then the first stars and galaxies. These stars created heavier elements through nuclear fusion, which were spread throughout the universe by supernova explosions. Today, the universe continues to evolve and expand, creating an ever-changing cosmic landscape. This captivating tale of the universe and its evolution is a testament to the power of physical laws and forces. It's a story of creation, of transformation, and of unending change. It's a story that reminds us in the grandest way possible that change is the only constant in this ever-evolving universe.